And I didn't even know this was going to be the endless ripple. It's like I was so into it, like ready, prepared to be amazed and ready to be amazed. And then when I started doing it and we started talking, wow, I am so passionate. I've always been passionate about life and death and the illusion of disease. And wow, we really have like similar passions. We love the work of the brain and the regeneration of the cells. So it was just naturally how everything evolved from one thing to the other. And as you said, I think that's what the angels told me. I totally forgot to talk to you about exploring the possibility of bringing this to a larger audience, not only like for me or in it just being like a miraculous magical journey to be with Anita is such a true honor.
When we actually engage in a way that is essence to essence and chemically igniting, because I think that we all hold keys, and we can't. I mean, we each go through alone, but we can't make the leap alone. We are operating as one now, and that we each hold keys that we can recognize in one another is a part of that leveraging that happens.
Like you have an understanding, you both have an understanding how alchemy works. And when one comes to this 28 days of the fountain of plenitude, we ignite through alchemy the levels, that the various different tools. Perhaps it would be helpful actually if you did explain all the different elements of the 28 days, the experience that someone who hasn't done anything like this before. It includes so many things. Perhaps you could mention a couple of them, explain how they work together, how you can feel deeper through this.
Well, there's the main protocol, and it's designed as a foundational power to clear the masks, clear the layers, so that you can actually feel self transparent. My experience when doing it as a daily process, it was like I was more present. I was more in my body. I was just more there. So that's the feeling of not having masks anymore. And the thing is, you don't know how masked you are until you clear it. And it's the same as phase 2, where the focus is on clearing the trauma. Well, you don't know how much trauma you actually hold, because the whole dream of separation is trauma. So we've lived, eons in a trauma. So the experience is you're starting to sink into yourself more. When that happens, the fragrance oils, they up their power, because and now you're much more in your body. And from that, you start to feel more. Your inner senses activate more, and that's creative.
But just right. The softness in the body that comes from it is one of the things I noticed as well.
Right, and we're realizing too that your expression, your free, unhindered, authentic expression, is in measure as you release the tension from the body.
Oh.
So the expression of your essence is a natural thing. It just happens. You don't have to think about it, or it's just a matter of releasing the masks, the layers, the tension, the trauma, the